Oh, she's foamy. Wow. Oh my. It's just heavenly. So excited. Hi everybody, so I hope you're well and having the most incredible day as always. Welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are doing well. In today's video, we are diving in to the Lush Mother's Day haul of 2024. However, this one is with a little bit of a twist, and the other day a parcel arrived at my door from Lush. I have not ordered anything, and honestly I had no idea what was in there. However, I did see a few of my friends open their parcel, and I'm led to believe that there are some of the Mother's Day items inside this box. I am so excited and I feel so incredibly lucky and thankful, and it's all down to you guys watching, so thank you guys so much. And I just thought I would unbox it with you guys and just show you what they've sent and kind of share with you my honest thoughts, opinions of all the products inside. So without further ado, we are going to dive right in. I hope you guys enjoy and carry on watching. Okay, so diving into this box, the first item we have is something which I know you guys are gonna love. I absolutely fell in love with this product last year, and I'm so excited that I've just seen it in this box. So the first item we have is the Lush Yummy Custard Body Wash. Now this product, not only does it smell incredible, it leaves my skin feeling so incredibly soft, and to be honest with you, I bought this for the smell alone. It was just so good and I just cannot wait to use it again. So ingredients wise in this one, we have got vanilla oat milk, aloe vera gel. Why should I read that really weird? Aloe vera gel, cornstarch, vanilla pod powder, gardenia extract. You've also got I think that's it actually, to be honest with you. Let's dive in to this one. I am so excited to smell it. Okay, let's dive in. Are you ready? I just forgot how creamy and delicious it looks. Like, look at that. Can you guys see? So this is what the product looks like inside. It is the most creamy, beautiful, vanilla pod infused thing I have ever seen. Let's give it a smell. It's just so good. Oh, it's just heavenly. Now, correct me if I'm wrong. I believe this is the same scent as Let the Good Times Roll, which is a cleanser. It smells like popcorn. It's just absolutely delicious. I cannot wait to use it. I really want to touch it. Ooh. Oh, it's so good. Okay, so that is the first item coming out for Mother's Day. Make sure you go and check it out, because this product, out of anything, just buy this. It is so good. Okay, so the next product we have... Oh, okay, do you know what? When I filmed my Mother's Day spoilers video, if you guys haven't seen it, obviously feel free. You guys can see the whole range. This was one of the products which I just knew instantly I had to put in my basket, and this is the Old Songs Awakening Sugar Scrub. Now, I absolutely love the new formula for the Lush Sugar Scrubs. I think they are so luxurious. They are thicker. They just scrub really well, and I also find that when you use them you don't lose as much. Like sometimes when they were really loose, I'd kind of put it on my skin and half of it would fall onto the floor, whereas this is a thicker texture. And when I say thick, I mean like thick, like she ain't gonna fall out. Do you know what I mean? Oh my, shut up. That smell. This smells like a sweet. Oh my god, it smells like drumstick. Shut the front door. This smells exactly like drumsticks or squashies. That kind of smell. Oh my god. Wow. Okay, this is what it looks like. I feel like I haven't even shown you what it looks like yet. So this is what the scrub looks like. It is the most beautiful kind of lavender and white with this gold shimmer on top. And it smells like drumsticks. Wow. Okay, so anyway, I need to stop saying wow because I'm going to sound like that guy. What's his name? Owen Wilson? Anyway. Wow. Ingredients wise in this one, we have got cocoa butter, coconut oil, bergamot oil, vanilla, perfume. I just don't know how it smells like a drumstick, but that is exactly what this smells like. I really want to touch it, so I'm just going to... Ooh, yeah. So you guys can see from the texture, it is super thick and creamy. Oh, it smells delicious. Wow. Wow. I also realised I forgot to tell you what it says on the front. So it says a smoothing sugar scrub that calls for you to sing while you bathe or shower with moisturising babassu oil and shredded cocoa butter. Honestly, I just don't know out of these which I like the most. They both do different things, but they both just smell incredible. You have to get both, honestly. delicious. So the next item in the box we have, oh my goodness, I am so excited to smell this one. This is the Snuggles Shower Gel, and it says, take a trip to Snuggle Town with this comforting embrace of moisturizing cocoa butter. Wrap yourself up in creamy lathers and feel the love. And ingredients wise in this one, it has glycerin, sea salt, cocoa butter, and ylang ylang oil. This is supposedly a Butterball fragrance shower gel, which if you guys don't know, I have mentioned it a few times that Butterball is one of those weird smells for me. I feel like I really love the smell, but also there's like a little hidden note in there that just, I don't know what it is, but let's give it a smell and see. Oh, she's foamy. Wow. Wow. Yes, this is exactly Butterball scented, but it's really creamy. It smells absolutely beautiful. It's really foamy though. I am intrigued by this. I don't know if you guys are going to be able to see it. I really don't want to spill it, so let's just hope that it doesn't. Can you guys see the foaminess of that? Maybe not. Smells really good though. Again, it literally smells exactly like Butterball bath bombs, so if you like that light, creamy, kind of gentle scent, you will absolutely love this. I'm really excited to use this. I think using this with this, oh, and with this. I see what you've done there, Lush. Very good idea. And the last thing we have in the box is the Wild Violet Commingle. This is a body scrub, and it says, calling all wonderful mothers, this ylang ylang and sweet violet leaf infusion was made just for you. Take 5 and slather this commingle scrub all over you. I was doing so well. All over you. No, it doesn't even say you. Hang on. Slather this commingle scrub all over for sweetly softened skin. We got there in the end. Ingredients wise in this one, we have got glycerin, violet leaf infusion, nut powder, almond oil, Brazil nut oil, white rice, ylang ylang, shea butter. There's so many lovely things in here. Violet leaf absolute, ylang ylang oil, cocoa butter, carrageenan extract. Let's just dive in and smell it, because that is what we're all waiting for, isn't it? Let's just be honest. Ooh. Wow, it's like a jelly. Can you see that? Oh my gosh, I don't want to spill it. Can you guys see? If I just like wiggle it about. It's so good. Okay, if you guys didn't ever smell Curbside Violet perfume, this is what this smells like. It's a very natural violet smell, so it doesn't smell like Parma violets, but it is that violet scent. That is incredible. My mum is going to be obsessed with this. Mum, if you're watching, yes, you can borrow it. I will give you some because I'm that nice, but just save me a little bit because it's so good. I'm actually really intrigued to see how this one compares to this one. Obviously the textures are completely different. This is more of a thinner kind of jelly-like texture, whereas this one is super thick and kind of more scrubby. So I'm really intrigued to see the difference. I am so excited. Wow. Wow. So that is everything for the Lush Mother's Day haul of 2024. I really hope you guys did enjoy this video, and I hope you guys didn't mind too much that this was my Mother's Day haul. I am going to Disneyland Paris so incredibly soon, and I do need to save a little bit of money for that, so I hope you guys don't mind. I am so incredibly thankful to you guys for watching my videos and making just this a reality. The fact that Lush send me some products for you guys to kind of for me to show you guys is absolutely insane to me. So I'm so thankful to Lush and to you guys, and I just absolutely love you. So thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys had an incredible week, and I will see you very soon in my next video. Bye guys.
Take a look out the window. Spirit goes up as the rain falls down. I've been sailing on the wrong course. Keep it